How to use Bonchat app full tutorial and setup explained. Are you looking for a secure private messaging app that keeps your conversations completely encrypted and gives you full control over your data? In this video, I am going to teach you everything you need to know about Bonchat, from downloading and setting it up to using all of its key features, so you can start communicating privately right away. Bonchat is a free secure messaging application available on iPhone, Android, and desktop that uses end-to-end encryption to protect every message and file you send. That means from the moment a message leaves your device to the moment it reaches your contact, it is fully encrypted and only readable by you and the person you are talking to. Nobody in between, not even Bonchat itself, can access your conversations. It is designed for both individual users who want private chat and organizations that need full control over their communication infrastructure. Let us get into the setup right now. Step 1. Download and install Bonchat. Open the App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android and search for Bonchat. Download and install the app for free. On desktop, you can access Bonchat through your web browser or download the desktop client. The app is cross-platform, meaning your account works seamlessly across your phone, tablet, and computer at the same time. Step 2. Create your account. Open Bonchat and tap Sign Up on the welcome screen. Enter your name, email address, and create a secure password. Verify your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Once verified, your account is active and you are ready to start using the app. Step 3. Set up your profile. After logging in for the first time, tap your profile icon to set up your display name and profile photo. Keep in mind that Bonchat is built with a privacy-first design, so you are never required to share more personal information than you are comfortable with. Step 4. Add contacts and start messaging. To start a conversation, tap the new message icon and search for your contact by their username or email address. Once you find them, tap their name and send a connection request. When they accept, you can start chatting immediately. All messages are protected by end-to-end encryption automatically with no settings to configure. Step 5. Send messages and share files. Inside any conversation, type your message in the text box and tap Send. To share a file, tap the attachment icon and select the file from your device. Bonchat supports sharing images, documents, and other file types, all protected by the same end-to-end encryption as your text messages. Step 6. Create and manage group chats. Tap the Groups section in the main menu and select Create Group. Give your group a name, add your contacts, and set member permissions. Bonchat's group management is one of its standout features, allowing you to control exactly who can send messages, who can add new members, and who has admin-level access to the group settings. This makes it especially useful for team collaboration and organizational communication. Step 7. Explore privacy and server settings. If you are an individual user, your data is stored on Bonchat's secure servers, by default with full encryption. For organizations and businesses that need complete data sovereignty, Bonchat offers a private or on-premise server deployment option, meaning you can host the entire Bonchat infrastructure on your own company servers, so your data never touches any third-party system. Now here is your pro tip. Bonchat is a relatively newer messaging platform compared to established apps like Signal or WhatsApp. While it offers solid encryption and a clean private communication experience, it is not yet as widely reviewed or audited as those larger platforms. For general private conversations and team communication, it works well, but for highly sensitive professional or legal communications, always consider using a messaging platform with a longer established track record and publicly verified security audits. Use Bonchat for what it does best, which is clean, fast, encrypted everyday messaging with strong group management tools. So to recap, download Bonchat from the App Store or Google Play, create your account and verify your email, set up your profile, add contacts and start encrypted conversations, share files securely. Use group management for team collaboration, and explore on-premise server deployment if you need total data control for your organization. If this tutorial helped you get started with Bonchat, hit the like button and subscribe for more app guides. And drop a comment below telling me what you plan to use Bonchat for. See you in the next one.